Okay, in this video we will discuss about the top data visualization tool for the business professional. This video is very important for the data analyst and what is visualization? Data visualization is the process to creating a visual to represent the information within a data set while the others. What is data analysis? First of all, we are discussing here which is the Microsoft Excel and Power BI. Acha, this is a striking sense of the Excel spreadsheet. PowerPoint software is not for the data visualization. Even so, it is usually data visualization capability. Give them a Microsoft product, a wide range of use, and at the enterprises level, we already access the its Microsoft demonstration. You can use Excel to design at least 20 types of the charts using data sheet, including some common options such as a bar chart, pie chart, and scatter plot, and more ones. Either the chart and histogram, and these are the limitations to what you are created in Excel. If you are organized, if you organize, I am looking for more powerful data visualization tools, but want to stay within the Microsoft ecosystem. Microsoft BF is an excellent alternative built on especially a data analyst and visualization tool. Power BA as can import data from the various source and input various. Next one is Google Charts. For professionals interested in creating an interactive data visualization distant to live on the internet, Google Chart is a popular free option. This tool can pull data from various sources, including Salesforce, SQL database, and Google Sheet, and use for the HTML5 and GPS technology to generate charts which can make incredible accessible. It offers 18 types of charts including bar chart, pie chart, and historical and biographic chart and area chart. The member of the Google Community Association create new chart and share them with other users which are available on Google website. These charts tend to be more advanced but may not be HTML5 complicated. Now we are talking about the next one, which is the three. Three is Tibideo. Tibideo is one of the most incredible tools. The software integrated the thousands of source imported data and dozens of the visualization types from the chart, map, and more. Honored by a Salesforce Trovia-based million of the users and one of the community and wide range of the use for enterprises. Trovia offers several products, including dashboard, servers, and web host server variation of an analytic program, along with the customer relationship management (CRM) software. A free option called Review Public is also available. It is important to note that, however, that may visualization created on the free version and available for anyone to see. This makes it good option for learn software basis, but it is not ideal for any properties sensitive data. Next one is Geo Analytics. Geo Analytics is done with the Visitation tool. And next one is Data Vapors. And sixth one is Infoware as a popular option to use to generate chart reports and such another option. And next we talk these are the six tools which are used for the